In this video, I will show you how to disable and turn off Windows Defender on your Windows 10. Just you need to watch and follow this video till the end. First, you have to click on Window on your keyboard and open the settings. Once you open the settings, in that moment, click on Update and Security. When you click on Update and Security, go to Windows Security and click on Virus and Threat Protection. Click on it like this, and one window or one page is going to open with you. So what you have to do right now, you have to go to Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Click on Manage Settings like this. You will find here Real-Time Protection. Click Turn Off and click Yes. And also Cloud Delivered Protection. Click Turn Off. And also Automatic Sample Submission and Tamper Protection. Click Turn Off. And that's all, guys. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in another tutorial.